Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer incident tickets from PagerDuty to Jira. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring incident tickets from PagerDuty to Jira, ensure you have the necessary permissions in both tools. Log in to your PagerDuty account. Navigate to the Incidents tab in your PagerDuty dashboard. Locate the incident ticket you wish to transfer. Click on the incident to open its details. In the Incident Detail view, review the information to ensure it is accurate. Take note of key details such as incident title, description, and any relevant tags. Now, switch to your Jira account. Log in to your Jira dashboard. Navigate to the project where you want to create the ticket. Click on the Create button to open a new issue form. In the Issue Type field, choose the appropriate issue type, such as bug, task, or story. In the Summary field, input the incident title from PagerDuty. In the Description field, paste the incident description from PagerDuty. Add any additional details needed, such as priority and assignee. If applicable, add labels or components to categorize the ticket appropriately. Attach any relevant files or screenshots that might help diagnose the issue. Once you have filled in all the required fields, click the Create button to save the ticket. Return to your PagerDuty account to update the incident status. Change the incident status to reflect that it has been transferred to Jira. You may also want to add a comment to the PagerDuty incident referencing the new Jira ticket for tracking purposes. Keep an eye on both platforms for any updates or further actions needed. This process can be repeated for additional incidents as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.